We have a John Deere 4240/4440 rear end transmission. It is a quad range. Stock number is 68171. Part number is AR88096.AQ. This has a 2-pinion differential with lock. We've inspected the ring and pinion. It looks good. Here's what the A and D range synchronizers look like. You can see they are in good condition. Here is your B and C range synchronizers. They're in good condition. The top shaft looks like it has been through by the previous owner, but we recommend you open and inspect the clutches before install. We have removed the transmission pump just because they're prone to wear. We recommend you install a new one at install. Again, the stock number is 68171. Part number is AR88096.AQ.